What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the OnePlus 15R 5G, a performance-focused smartphone that aims to deliver flagship-level power without a flagship-level price. If you want a phone built for gaming, long battery life, and smooth visuals, the OnePlus 15R 5G might be exactly what you're looking for. Performance. At the heart of this phone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor. This chip delivers fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and excellent gaming performance. Whether you're playing demanding mobile games or switching between apps, everything feels responsive and fluid. Display. Up front, you get a gorgeous 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels incredibly smooth. Animations are fluid, and games look sharp and vibrant. This display is clearly designed with gamers in mind. Battery and charging. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 7,400 mAh battery. That is more than enough for a full day of heavy use and even 2 days for lighter users. When it's time to recharge, fast charging support helps you get back up and running quickly. Cameras. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. You can also record 4K video at 120 frames per second, which is great for smooth, high-quality footage. Price and value. In the United States, the OnePlus 15R 5G starts at $699, with higher storage and memory options priced at $799. For the performance, battery size, and display you're getting, that's a strong value compared to other flagship phones. Final thoughts. If you want top-tier performance, a huge battery, and a smooth display without paying premium flagship prices, the OnePlus 15R 5G is absolutely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what excites you most about this phone, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.